What is going on today, guys? As you can guess by today's title, we're going to be going to look at a Nissan GTR. My sister kicked me out of the house because she's got finals and I've got nothing to do, so I'm going to go with my mom. We're going to go look at a Nissan GTR. First, however, breakfast, because we're hungry. Then after breakfast, we're going to head down to Denver and we're going to go take a look at that GTR. Okay, this is the place. I'm not seeing the car though, which is interesting. I'm wondering if it's like maybe on the other side of the building? I don't know, we'll figure it out. Also, they haven't cleaned off since the snow last week. I don't think you're getting this M4 out if you want to drive it. Yeah, that's dumb. I don't even know if there's anybody here because it looks like it's completely deserted pretty much. It's weird. Well, that was a bust. I'm amending the video title. We're now going to go try and drive a Mercedes. Okay, we're out at Mercedes. Oh, that was hard. We're out at Mercedes Littleton, looking at a couple cars. We have an E53 wagon. We have an AMG GTR Roadster. This thing is nice. Sticker price $220,000. Dang. I really like the spec on the C43. It's a dark blue with a saddle interior. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's sold. This is a twin turbo V6, is what you said?
Yeah.
I love the way it looks like there's basically just crystals in there.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, this car is beautiful. So we got a twin turbo V6 E53 AMG. I really like it. We might try and take it out. See how it drives. Awesome. Let's take it out. So I was doing a little bit of research. This has 429 horsepower, so it's... Oh. It's still plenty fast, and it chimes at you when you break the speed limit. So that's fun. It's plenty fast, but it's not as fast as the RS7 we drove yesterday. I didn't get that on video. Okay, looking through here, you have track trace. Warning, use this on racetracks only. Drag race, telemetry, track, speed. Look at this tracks your speed, how much you're on the gas versus brakes, and how much horsepower you're making at any given moment over the course of between 30 seconds, which is like basically instantaneous, and all the way up to 20 minutes. That's just fun toy level stuff. Okay, we finally got it up to we finally got it up to temperature, and it pops like that. Yep, pops just like my car, which is amazing. I clicked something and I turned on the ambient lighting, and it puts the ambient lighting into the... Oh, there you go. You can really see it in the tunnel. It puts them into the vents, which is awesome. Hello, officer. We're not doing anything wrong. Comfort mode. We're just gonna be nice and chill. Just nice and comfortable. We're fine. Totally fine. Good news is that since we saw him, most likely there won't be another cop for a little while. Because they tend not to patrol in groups because, you know, that's not efficient. I found the horsepower pages. It took me a grand total of 3 minutes and I found the pages. I find them in any car that has them. Ooh, peak torque is reached really low. That's nice. Okay, when you put it into Sport Plus, it lowers the suspension to help you take corners way tighter. This has auto parking.
Is there a place I can make it park itself?
Find somewhere on the street, yeah, probably. Cool. I think I got everything roughly where I'd sit. It's got the Alcantara steering wheel, which is really nice. You can change the suspension independently. Lock in manual mode or automatic. Turn off traction control, which I'm not going to do because it's kind of cold out. Put down. It's nice and quick. It's quick, but it's not overly fast, which is good. But it's fun, you can do that.
Brakes.
That's cool. ahead of us.
What's too bad?
Let's see if they want to go. They do. Say goodbye to the truck. Found an RS7. No,
Hey, that's-
S7. So that's one step down from what we drove yesterday, but
That's
also
a
brand new.
Is it S7?
S7, yeah. So when you have it in manual mode, it tells you which gear you should be in for peak economy. So you see if I drop it into 8 over here, it's got the little arrow that points it up. It says go into 9. Go into 8, 9 for peak efficiency. But as soon as I take it out manual, it just tells me I'm in drive. Okay, we're gonna be a little bit annoying underneath the underpass. Kinda have to. Okay, we're going to drop it into comfort mode.
Who's behind us? Yes, okay.
Yep. I'm going to hope he does not see the camera right in front of me.
You weren't speeding at the end, were you?
No, I was just downshifting. Let's see, is the cop here? Yep, cop's getting on the highway behind us. No fun on the on-ramp. Yeah, he probably got mad at me for downshifting.
I just don't know where he came, like...
He came out from, he's pulled off, huh? Interesting. The cop just completely pulled off on the side of the road. He's he's hiding for the next person who rips it on the on-ramp. So right here I noticed it puts the horsepower, the pound-feet, and the boost right in front of you. So you don't need to be looking at the center display. So if you want on the center display, you could then pull up your vehicle data for, like, if you're on a track, you can have the amount of that plus your power right in front of you, which is pretty cool. Even in like Sport Plus, even on the highway, it's pretty comfortable, you know? It doesn't shake or jostle you around. You reach max boost about 2200 RPM, which is nice. And we're gonna go through an underpass. That sounds nice. That sounds really nice.
I like
Unfortunately, we had a red light up here, so I can't really floor it through the underpass in the way I wanted. So I just noticed the discount on this AMG GT is the same price as my whole car. That was very, very nice. It was not as fast as the Audi, which I wish I had gotten on video, but it was definitely very fast, and it was much more luxurious than the Audi. Mercedes has kind of like built their whole infotainment in a way that, like, compared to Audi, they just slapped it on. Mercedes is just amazing. And while we're down here in the area, it would be rude to not stop and say hi to McLaren. I mean, it'd just be a crime not to, really. 720S, 650S, GT, Evo, 3 Aston Martin Vantages, 4, another Evo, Spider, 600 LT, another GT, purple, and a 620R. Y'all wanna see something funny? I've got this in my pocket, and it's right there. That's pretty funny. Picked up some new inventory, I've noticed. GT500, GT350, GT3 RS, AMG GTR, 458 Spider, Huracan Performante Spider, Mercy back there, Ferrari FF, F12 TDF, absolutely beautiful, Aventador, little Alpha Spider. My mom's found her new favorite car here. She really likes the satin green. V12 Vantage S. Those things are nice. They're so small. I never realized just how small these are. Like, this is a small car. Sticker price sitting at $208,000. Ooh. Mom said she likes the blue Vantage over here. I think this is a Vantage. No, this isn't a Vantage. What is this? Why do I not know my Aston Martins? Vanquish, that's the other one. Well, my camera died, so I'm using my phone now. From the V12 Roadster, we got a nice blue Vanquish over here that my mom really likes. I like the Vanquish, but I think I'd rather have the V12. Rock crawler? Mall crawler. Look at those wheels. Useless. Versus actual, like, what you take on a trail. So they have two F12 Berlinettas. That's not a TDF like I said it was in there. It's an F12 Berlinetta, but they have two of them. And this one's got a nice body kit on it. It looks really sinister. It's a big boy G-Wagon. Like, big G-Wagon. Also got a Bentley back there. Hello, Bentley? Bentley. Okay, so that was... There's Alpha leaving. Anyway, that was kind of our day trying to test drive cars because we were kicked out of the house because my sister had finals. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.